Welcome to UpTrade. This is a quick walkthrough of how our onboarding works, so you know exactly what to expect when you get started. You begin by signing up and entering a few personal details. This gives you access to your client portal, which is where all your documents, status updates, and next steps are kept in one place. From there, you'll complete identity verification through Personal R. This process is fast and secure, and you can get verified instantly. After that, you'll upload your proof of address directly into the portal. This is a separate step, and the system will guide you through exactly what's required. Once these are submitted, our system runs the required checks, so your account is secure from day one. If you're opening an entity account, you'll also be asked to upload your entity documents. Once verified, the entity is added to your portal automatically, so everything stays organized. After approval, your account becomes active. Your dashboard opens with funding instructions and account status, giving you a complete overview of your account. A broker is then assigned to you. They'll guide you through your setup and answer any questions along the way. When you're ready, you can fund your account with crypto or fiat using the deposit button. Our system will notify you the moment your funds arrive, and from that point forward, you are fully set up to trade. And once you're onboarded, you have ongoing access to your broker, our support team, our client portal, and exclusive research and insights from our analysts. Everything you need stays in one place. If you have any questions, reach out to your dedicated UpTrade broker. Welcome to the UpTrade family.